Yes. Hello, today is August 12th for the fourth time, 1992. This is the ranch, and we are riding a horse that just came on the ranch. We put an old saddle on it and we're having fun.
Not all the time, though. We're acting like cowboys and
Cowgirls.
cowgirls, and there's Emily, and Jose Juan, and the horse that came on our property. Come on, my turn. You.
Ven, miren aquí, no te vayas a ir.
There's David. He's on the horse.
Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it.
Okay, and there he goes. There they go. Giddy up, horsey.
Ruby,
What?
go and tell Maria and Steffi that you're on the road.
Okay.
A ver, vete.
Okay. Bye.
Ve con mamá que te dé el mecate. Quiero mamá que te dé el lazo, uno como este.
It's August 12th. This is David, and he's tied up to this post by Ruby Lichty. She tied it up. We're gonna see how long it takes him to get untied. Ready, go! Pretty fast, huh? He's not done yet. Are you finished, David? Are you finished?
Yes.
That's good. Okay. Now, are you gonna tie me up now?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Luckily, David wants to tie up Emily.
And after I tie up Emily, then I tie up Ruby.
So
that thing on?
yes. After he ties up Emily, he's gonna tie up me.
Okay.
What are your last words, Emily?
Goodbye.
That's good.
Put this one up.
As you can see, it is a very windy day. There's the horse,
Where?
and here we have the mountain and the Suburban. And if you see the sky, it is very gray. Back to Emily.
Hi.
I'm sorry I can't focus, but I don't know how to do it.
No.
This is David. He's speaking Spanish.
Put this on my, Yes, sir. Put this when I'm done.
Well, I'm gonna stop. Then I'll see. Okay. Alright. Again. Now,
Loyal, respected. I don't even know what it means, but goodbye.
is he almost done?
Yeah.
Hurry up, David. He's very, very careful that it will take her a long time to get out. This is the Olympics of tying up Emily.
Are you talking?
Yes?
You're whispering.
Now, this is very
Don't whisper.
a moment to remember in the rope tying sister Olympics. Rope tying your sister, yeah. Okay, we'll be back in 1 second. It is time for Emily to get out of the tide thing. Okay, Emily, get out. Ready, go! Are you working, Emily? It looks like you made a bow tie on her feet, David.
Oh.
And there's Jose Juan. She runs to help Emily. Or watch Emily. Alright. Bravo!
Oh, you
Say
dirty rat.
time for me to get tied up. A farewell. Bye-bye. You'll watch me be tied up with the group, the couple that have the Olympics of tying up their sister. Now, Emily, you don't have to stay still.
Oh,
Bye. It's recording. Don't move the camera. Keep the same angle it is. Hello. I'm going to get tied up. Bye. Okay. Even tie me up. Touch it. Okay. That's the exact same angle. It's on. It's on? Turn it off. Okay. Hello. This is me tied up. You might not recognize me because I have rope all over me. David, are you finished? No. Don't move. You can watch the knot. Are you doing it? Hurry up. Okay, ready. Rita, look at me.
Yeah? No!
Woo! Thank you. You may go take a seat, okay? All right, now I'm going to get out.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh! Did that take me 2 seconds? Or was it 1? Off!
Muy bien, bueno, cuando te dan oportunidad de cubrir a otro José Luis, la verdad que parecía un gran paquete, ¿no? Por el pegue de los Reyes Locos.
De esa manera, muy amable, sí, nos saludamos, sí, y pues me alentó bastante impulsado por él también, pero muy valiente,
Bastante bueno, ¿no? Te ayudó bastante.
llevamos muy buena amistad, él
¿Y antes qué hacías?
pues yo trabajaba trabajaba en una gran compañía en Monterrey.
3 de la tarde. Y de todas maneras, vamos a enviar un ratito más, no me dejen oportunidad.
Tratando de que se ganando ya
La número 1.
¿Quién lo hizo? Sí, ya le tomé, le estoy tomando. Le estoy tomando. Mira la Chevrolet, la Chevrolet, la Chevrolet. No. Lo voy a reportar a la policía, esto es lo que voy a hacer.
¿Por qué no han llamado, Jorge? ¿Por qué no han llamado a la policía?
¡Chila! Ese sí lo agarré.
Tómale, tómale, ponte a la esquina.
No supe. Y ahí viene este. Gaby, te caíste. Ah, se bajó a escupir.
Dile que se la ponga pronto, porque la ponga. Daniela, ponte la gorra. Pero bien puesta la gorra.
Échale eso, mamá. Échale eso, mamá.
No, Gaby.
¡Vamos a echarle!
Ayúdale, Zaira. Zaira, haga bolitas y póngale en la orillita. Grandote.
Y nomás este lo voy a echar.
Hola.
Eh,
No, vete, no
¡Ay, Zaira! Sí.
Déjala ver si me echa, déjala. Pero de lejos, de lejos. No, Dani, de lejos. Si no, no. De lejos. Una, dos. De lejos, nada más. De cerquitas no, porque me duele. De cerquitas no, porque me duele.
¡Ay, no!
De cerquitas no. Bueno, ándale, tira.